Hi, PupperCut.
Hi.
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 Paula's a bitch and Zeke's a
Don't
bitch.
run him in!
Fuck you.
I don't want you to see my face!
Fuck you, I'm gonna zoom in on your face. I'm zooming in on your hair.
Fuck you, I don't
Fuck
consent.
you. You do now. Hi, PupperCut. What are we doing today?
Opening up a box.
What's in the box?
Pupper.
Who's
Pupper's
Pupper?
outside the box.
Yeah, he's right there.
We found him.
I have arrived.
We found the boy.
It's a real boy.
I'm gonna keep doing this.
What?
Are you gonna open the boy?
Yes.
What's your mind?
Will you guys stop making noise, you fucking bitches?
I want that!
I've had muffins thrown at me.
That's muffins.
He's like trying to open a box and you guys are like,
Isn't a fursuit opening if the people in the background are doing bullshit?
No.
maybe.
Ah!
Maybe. Stuff your face more, fatty.
Stop video
Do it.
meeting.
Do it. Ooh.
Ooh, I'm gonna get a little closer. Actually, I'm not.
Guys, it's a bag.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's a boy.
There's a boy. He has sound triangles.
Oh my god, he has a thing in his mouth.
He's nomming.
What is he eating?
Figure it out.
I want to know.
Why is he a lint cloth?
That's a dryer sheet, so it smells good.
Because
It
the
does.
alternative is it smelling bad.
Ew. Why is another?
So it's clean.
Being attacked by dryer sheets.
Open that later.
Look at that sexy boy. He's so pretty.
At that angle, he just looks so derp.
He has like interchangeable tongues too, so he can be mega derp.
Make it. Whoa.
Whoa.
Pete's.
Show the camera. Ready to stomp your ass with.
Stomp the entire life out of me.
Zeke, I know that's your fetish, but tone it down,
It's
God.
actually not, but sure.
Jacob's fetish?
I mean, dying is my fetish.
Same!
Autoerotic asphyxiation.
Boopers.
I'm gonna be booped with those repeatedly, and I don't feel
We're all gonna do it to you.
Get
I'm
ready
gonna
for it.
jump out the window.
Good.
Throw my paw
These
from
windows
across the
open?
room.
Is this like every other hotel in America where the windows don't actually open?
Yes.
Well, with the windows
Damn.
open, we're on the 34th floor.
Because
I
I want to
Hey,
jump out of them to avoid you!
I've learned the special trick of throwing my paw from across the fucking room, so I will nail you with it.
Oh no!
I'll just hit you with myself with my own hand.
Those are paws.
Those are
Pops.
Paws.
Pubs.
So you wear them.
No. Yeah, there we go.
Just like that.
Perfect.
You know, you had one job.
I like that your hat matches everything else.
It does. Ah.
He's a green boy.
Green boy.
This is the green.
I'm a real boy.
Swiss.
Eee.
When you tap on stuff because it's like pleather, it'll go tap 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 tap.
Oh no.
Tap the box.
Tap the box. You gotta put it back on.
Compared to my paws, it's like
He's too powerful.
Eee. Eee.
Pepper's trying to come.
open the letter.
Fine.
Look at
Your
my
hair.
I'm gonna go to open the letter and just fucking like rip all of them in half.
look at my horrible handwriting. Yeah.
Handwriting?
What is that?
What are those?
Oh.
The icing fell off of our cupcakes.
I know. When I brought it up, I'm so sad.
Oh, those poor cupcakes.
What'd you get?
I got a sticky.
You got a sticker. Place them all down there. Another sticker. And a business card. And another business card. You better advertise me. And another business card. The only place to put it.
Shove the business card in the eye so all he can see is business.
And then another sticker.
And another sticker.
Yeah, stickers!
Eee. I like your little smiley face.
Yeah, I can't draw.
You
Yeah.
fucking
You shut up, I can't draw.
I mean, I can't draw.
Look at my sick ass smiley face if the camera will.
Can I spray your
There it
fursuit
is.
with fursuit spray so you smell like a mint?
But he already smells like.
Green.
Okay, what's in with that? What do you think, PupperCut? You should put it on.
Okay.
my god. Look at it. He's a dog.
He's a doggy. I think both of the tongues are in the mouth. So you have to take one out and interchange them because that's just where I put. Yeah, there we go. There's one. There we go.
That's where we put tongues.
Perfect.
Wait. I'll grab my head.
Oh, you gonna do it?
I'm gonna grab my head. I just have to jump out of his box.
Or you could just walk around. No, okay.
Also, before we throw out the box, let's get rid of our addresses that are on it. Let's get rid of our addresses that are on the box.
I can do that. I'm trying to knock off my head.
What do you think, PupperCut?
Oh, eyes.
I'll take that as a 10 out of 10.
It's an 11 out of 10.